Welcome to BITZER. Welcome to the heart of freshness. The BITZER IQ module, a new intelligent operating concept for modern compressor technologies by BITZER. The IQ module covers all of the functions relating to the compressor, thus ensuring that the compressor operates efficiently and is reliably available within the operating range. The operating concept of the IQ module ensures that BITZER reciprocating compressors can be quickly, cost-effectively and easily integrated into every system, no matter what the application. Complete flexibility for every refrigeration application with significantly simplified cabling and system logic. Connect the intelligent compressor to the switchboard using a single cable. Reduced complexity for less error potential. BITZER reciprocating compressors are factory wired and pre-configured with all sensors and actuators. This makes compressors even easier to install. Save time and costs when planning and installing, with reduced system complexity and extremely low cabling requirements. Use the CR2 capacity regulation to its full potential with the IQ module's intelligent CR algorithm. As with a frequency inverter control, a 0 to 10 volt signal is sufficient. The Mechanics CR2 capacity regulation enables virtually seamless operation of BITZER compressors with a refrigerating capacity of between 10 and 100%. The IQ module's intelligence ensures optimum operation of the capacity regulator for extremely efficient and durable CR2 operation. The IQ module enables the compressor's operating ranges to be extended. Therefore, it increases the availability of the system within the limit range. Service companies profit from a simplified and extended fault diagnosis. Thanks to the intuitive BITZER electronic service tool, BEST, compressors are very easy to service using the IQ module. When analyzing the system, make use of the integrated data log functions, error history, and also live monitoring of all sensor data. This way, even complicated errors can also be quickly and easily rectified. For greater reliability and availability of the system. The BITZER IQ module. A new, intelligent operating concept for modern compressor technologies. Thanks for watching this video, and I hope you watch some of our other videos. Thank you.